Welcome to Build Mystery. Today, we're exploring some of the most advanced construction technologies on Earth. From walls that balance strength and insulation to floors that rise with precision and facades that combine durability with style, every innovation is reshaping the way we build. Among these marvels, we'll uncover the invisible power of LiteForm ICF, the precision lift of PolyLevel, and the textured resilience of Alsecco Bark Effect. Prepare to see machines, materials, and systems that seem almost futuristic, all coming together in one place. Subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video to join the journey as the build mystery begins. This is Proline PROCHANNEL, a complete modular drainage system by Proline, built for one goal: flawless flush-to-floor shower design. It's not just a drain, it's an engineered system where every component works in sync: drainage, sealing, insulation. The process starts with precision measurement. Built-in height is calculated. A perfect 2% gradient ensures controlled water flow. Adjustable installation feet fine-tune the height to the millimeter. A 360-degree rotatable drain fitting adapts to real on-site conditions. Sound-absorbing pads reduce vibration. Sealing membranes lock out moisture. Hybrid adhesives bond the channels securely into the screed. Every layer reinforces the next. Every seal protects critical crossover points. Flexible tri-lamination technology guarantees watertight security. The result? A seamless tiled recess. Clean lines. Invisible drainage. Total reliability. Proline PROCHANNEL doesn't just manage water. It engineers perfection beneath your feet. This is WALLTITE, high-performance cavity wall insulation from BASF, a two-component polyurethane foam engineered for precision. Resin and hardener mixed with catalysts and stabilizers. On application, it expands to fill every cavity completely. It bonds securely to masonry and concrete surfaces, restoring structural integrity. Cavities up to 200 millimeters are injected in controlled sequences. Every hole, every layer, ensures full coverage from bottom to top. Foam density, thermal conductivity, and cell structure are precisely regulated. Quality checks confirm proper adhesion, cure, and expansion. Injection is carefully timed to avoid splitting or shrinkage. Protective gear keeps operators safe while achieving perfect results. When cured, WALLTITE delivers seamless insulation. No gaps, no cold spots, maximum energy efficiency. WALLTITE, engineered to protect, strengthen, and insulate every wall. This is Havelock wool blown-in insulation, a natural, high-performance building solution by Havelock wool. Not synthetic, not chemical, organic wool engineered for modern homes. It starts as loose wool fiber, real sheep's wool, cleaned and processed for insulation. Using a blower machine, it's injected into walls, attics, and ceilings, filling voids, gaps, and odd spaces with precision. This wool doesn't slump or settle over time. It expands, contours, and locks into place, creating continuous thermal protection. Wool naturally manages moisture, resists mold, regulates heat transfer, and absorbs sound. It traps airborne chemicals, improves indoor air quality, and does all this without toxic binders or off-gassing. Installation is straightforward. A simple blower and technique delivers seamless coverage. Havelock wool blown in, engineered by nature, perfected for performance. This is Stavoblock Facades, a next-level architectural cladding system from Stavoblock System CR. A facade engineered for longevity, performance, and unmistakable design. Each facade unit is a precision-manufactured concrete panel, fully ventilated and lightweight, mounted on a corrosion-resistant metal grid. This isn't just surface finish, it's a breath-open shell that sheds moisture and stabilizes the wall structure. Heat doesn't escape, cold doesn't penetrate. Ventilation channels behind the cladding ensure humidity is drawn away from the building envelope, protecting masonry from damp and decay. Panels lock together with engineered precision. Thermal bridges are minimized. Acoustic comfort improves. Fire resistance meets the highest standards. No paint, no frequent maintenance. Natural, baked-in coloration and rugged concrete durability keep the facade looking new. Year after year, designed in the Czech Republic, built to perform for decades. Stavoblock Facades, architecture that protects, performs, and lasts. This is Côté Clôture, engineered solutions for fences, gates, and exterior boundaries by Côté Clôture SAS, a French specialist since 2009. This isn't generic fencing. This is precision-designed perimeter protection. Rigid panels, aluminum frames, composite slats. Each element crafted for strength and durability. Every panel locks into reinforced posts. Every joint withstands wind, rain, and time. Ventilated designs keep profiles stable. Occultation kits deliver privacy without bulk. Gate systems align with precision engineering. Wheels and tracks mount cleanly. Open and close with controlled motion. Secure every entry point with confidence. Installation starts with planning, measured cuts, and anchored posts. Panels slide, latch, and frame your space with architectural clarity. Finished profiles resist corrosion. Surfaces stay true to color. This is protection that performs and aesthetics that last. Côté Clôture, where design meets durability for every boundary. This is Insulation Sills, engineered thermal sills transforming building envelopes. A precision solution where window meets wall and walls meet the elements. Traditional sills create thermal bridges, zones where heat escapes and cold penetrates. Insulation sills eliminate that weakness. They integrate directly with external insulation layers. Made from high-performance insulating materials, they support window frames while minimizing heat transfer at critical junctions. Compression-resistant profiles maintain structural integrity under load. Installed beneath the window edge, they interface seamlessly with facade insulation. They prevent cold spots, moisture risks, and surface condensation. Precision-cut profiles ensure perfect fit on every opening. Integrated drip edges control water runoff. No weak points, no thermal leakage. Architectural performance meets energy efficiency, reduced heating demand, increased comfort. Every detail engineered for sustainability and durability. Insulation sills, the unseen link that strengthens every insulated wall. This is PolyLevel, a high-performance concrete leveling system by Foundation Support Works. Not another patch fix, a precision-engineered solution for sinking slabs and uneven concrete. Traditional mud jacking uses heavy cement under slabs. PolyLevel uses high-density polyurethane foam that expands into soil voids with surgical accuracy. Tiny holes drilled into the slab become the entry point. Injected foam travels deep, filling voids and lifting concrete from below. The material is lightweight yet strong, adding almost no load to the soil beneath. It expands into crevices, stabilizes soil, and lifts slabs to their original level. No massive holes, no mess, installation finishes in a single day. Walk or drive on it minutes later. PolyLevel is waterproof, non-washing, and engineered for precision lifting on patios, driveways, industrial floors, and more. This isn't just leveling. It restores structural integrity with power and precision. This is Häusler GmbH's outdoor tile installation system, engineered for precision, durability, and performance underfoot. We're installing outdoor ceramic and porcelain slabs on a compacted split bed, a method that marries strength and drainage. First, a stable sub-base is prepared in level, compact, and ready. Split aggregate forms the bed, rigid yet permeable. Water drains. Frost heaves are controlled. Each tile is placed on the split bed with calculated spacing and alignment. No mortar, just gravity, geometry, and engineered support. Gaps for drainage. Micro adjustments for perfect planar alignment. This isn't laid by eye, it's engineered for uniform load distribution. The split bed system prevents cracking from thermal expansion or ground movement. Rainwater flows freely. The surface stays stable year after year. Outdoor ceramics meet precision installation, a system designed to perform under traffic, weather, and time. Häusler GmbH, engineered outdoor tile installation that stands the test of nature. This is Alsecco Bark Effect, a facade finish engineered by Alsecco for external wall insulation systems, part of a complete external wall insulation range that improves thermal performance and architectural expression. Not just paint, not a texture, a specialty surface that mimics natural bark with engineered precision. Applied over reinforced insulation boards, Bark Effect transforms flat walls into richly textured, weather-resistant envelopes. The finish is formulated to adhere, protect, and endure. Its textured surface scatters light and shadow, defining volume and character. Embedded granules and aggregates resist abrasion, impact, and weather cycles. Unlike smooth renders, Bark Effect conceals minor imperfections. It channels rainwater, reduces streaking, and improves facade longevity. Installed as part of Alsecco's external wall insulation system, it enhances both energy efficiency and architectural identity. This is Facade Finish Elevated, Bark Effect. Engineered texture, engineered resilience. This is FastTrak, a prefabricated suspension system by Gripple engineered for modern construction. Not just another bracket, a complete solution for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing support. FastTrak replaces threaded rod and channel with precision-built tracks and brackets. Horizontal brackets slide effortlessly along vertical tracks and lock securely without tools. Up to 6 times faster installation than traditional systems. Saving hours on every project. Its modular design adapts to electrical containment, pipework, ductwork, or multi-tiered service runs. 4-sided brackets deliver mounting points in every direction. Adaptability engineered into every unit. Tool-free adjustments let installers fine-tune height and spacing instantly. Tracks bend or snap cleanly for a neat finish. Zero waste, zero guesswork. From restrictive ceiling spaces to complex service grids, FastTrak brings order to installation. Engineered for speed. Designed for versatility, FastTrak. Support systems built for performance and precision. This is Maxit Mörtelpad, a prefabricated mortar pad engineered by Maxit to redefine bricklaying, not mixed on site, not smeared by trowel. A dry, high-performance mortar panel made for precision wall construction. Each pad is factory-made with thin bed mortar and glass fiber reinforcement size to match masonry widths. Laid along the bedding surface, it's activated only by water. The pad absorbs moisture and transforms into a full-coverage mortar bed. No tools, no mess. The mason's workflow is distilled to 2 actions: place and water. Within minutes, the brick or block is set and aligned with a rubber mallet. There's no on-site mixing, no dusty mortar heaps. Consistent joints, uniform strength, and clean construction. Compared with traditional thin bed mortar, Mörtelpad boosts efficiency, reduces prep time, and enhances bonding quality. It even cuts CO2 in production while delivering the same structural performance. This is brickwork, refined. Maxit Mörtelpad, where precision meets productivity. This is LiteForm ICF, insulated concrete formwork, engineered for high-performance building envelopes. A structural system that merges insulation and load-bearing strength into one. Lightweight interlocking panels go up like modular blocks. Each form snaps together with precision, creating continuous insulation and a built-in cavity. Steel reinforcement cages are placed inside. Then high-strength concrete is poured into horizontal, integrating structure and thermal barrier in one pour. No thermal bridges, no layered materials stacked and sealed on site. LiteForm's expanded polystyrene stays in place, protecting concrete from heat loss and moisture, while dramatically increasing energy efficiency. Walls become one solid mass, thermal insulation, structural concrete, and airtight performance working together. Installation is fast, consistent, and predictable, reducing labor and waste. From foundations to finished walls, every form fits with engineered accuracy. Performance you can calculate. Durability designed in. Energy savings built into every square foot. LiteForm ICF, engineered structure, engineered efficiency, engineered to last. This is MAI, Advanced Dry Mortar Processing, Mixing and Grouting Technology from MAI, International GmbH, Austria. Built for professionals, engineered for performance. Not just mixers, not just pumps, complete systems that handle demanding materials with precision. At the heart lies high-efficiency mixing technology. Dry mortar meets water, catalysts, and additives in a controlled chamber. Powerful mechanical action ensures uniform distribution, consistent blend every time. From foam concrete to grouting, from plaster to 3D concrete printing systems, MAI Machines adapt. Modular components link with dosing pumps, agitators, and conveyors for tailored workflows. Digital controls keep timing, speed, and output stable. Repeatable results, reduced waste, lower rework. Installation crews trust MAI for rugged reliability and fluid operation. From site startup to cleanup, every stage runs smooth, predictable, and productive. This isn't ordinary equipment. It's industrial mixing engineered for consistency, power, and professional performance. MAI, precision machines that elevate every construction process. As the dust settles, the structures rise in silent perfection. The powerful core of PolyLevel, the precision of Proline PROCHANNEL, and the textured brilliance of Alsecco Bark Effect, each innovation leaves a mark that endures, shaping every wall, floor, and surface. Behind them, countless machines, materials, and systems operate seamlessly, revealing the future of construction. Subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video to continue exploring. Because the build mystery